Hi Akshita. So today we are experimenting a new type of class, that is I am recording the class and you are hearing it from somewhere. I'll post this in YouTube, might be in another 1 hour. I'll post it in the YouTube and I'll also send the link of that video. Now Akshita, the very important thing in this classes is your genuinity and honesty in abiding to the classes. So please don't miss that. Even though you are hearing the recorded classes, in my mind actually Akshita, you are there in front of me. I am imagining you and I am taking these classes. Okay, already we have discussed all this yesterday. Now let's jump into our discussion. The chapter is investigating data. What happened Akshita is, I have written all this earlier. I thought the screen is recording, but it is not recording. So I have gone to some extent of 1, 2, 3 slides. So all these slides I will again start explaining to you. The first slide is this one. So mainly in the investigating data chapter, we are going to learn how to represent data which we collected from many incidents. For example, in a country, how many people got vaccinated, how you will collect this data? You will divide into age groups. So below 18 is one age group, next 18 to 40 is one age group, 18 to 45 I think so in India, above 45 to 60 is one age group, 60 above is another age group. So you will take the information from the citizens of the country whether you got vaccinated or not, yes or no, yes or no. The information will be taken, and once the information is taken, this information has to be represented in such a way that people by seeing it they'll understand, okay, this much percentage got vaccinated, this much percentage did not get vaccinated. So we should represent the data what we collect. If you don't represent the data in a visual format, Akshita, it is very difficult to analyze that. Now the monitoring people will not know how much people still we have to vaccinate, how much vaccines has to get imported, how much vaccines has to get manufactured. All these things depends upon the data what we are collecting and the way we are representing it. So different data has different ways of representing. Now after representing, sir, what is the purpose of representation? Representation is for easy analyzation. Once analyzation is over, you can directly jump into the action. What is the next step to be done? So when I am learning for bank examinations, Akshita, we have learned different types of representation, that is bar graph, pie diagram, spiral graph. There are plenty more actually. In your textbook, other than this, there are plenty more representations. We will learn all this in our classes. What is a bar graph, how to represent it, pie diagram, how to represent. The names might look like a new names for you, but no, they are very common. Once I draw the diagram, you'll understand it very easily. Let's, sir, in the right now, what is this question which is there on our screen is, in your textbook there is skill check. So there are skill check of 4-5 questions. Now in that skill check, the first question is this one which I have put on the screen. A group of school students visiting Japan have the following ages: 14, 13, 12. Okay, these are the different ages of the students who are visiting the Japan. Now how many students are there in total? Total there are 13 students. Fine. Now next step what I have done is I have segregated the students, that is students of age 14, there are 5 students. Students of age 13, there are 4 students. If you see that age 14, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, that's how you have to count it. Students of age 12, there are 2 students. Students of age 15, there are 2 students. Akshita, I just wanted to mention, if at all any doubt is coming, you think that I am going fast, please pause the video, peacefully understand it and then go ahead. There is no tension that you have to complete it in the 45 minutes or 1 hour. You can peacefully complete this video and understand the knowledge very nicely. I am also trying to give my 500% are actually, it's not even 100%. I wanted to put, since it is a recording, I have the freedom of giving many more things to you and developing you in a very nice way. Fine. Now, so I just segregated the information. The students who belong to age 14, there are 5 students. Students who belong to age 13, there are 4 students. Age 12, 2 students. Age 15, 2 students. Okay, Akshita. Now let's see how to plot this on dot plot. There are 2 types of dot plots which I have seen. Both of them I wanted to show you. For the first kind of dot plot, we don't need that vertical line. We just need a number line kind of thing. So first one, age 15 group, age 14 group, age 13 group, age 12 group. Okay, so after drawing this, how many students are there from the age 15? Only 2 students are there. So we are going to represent it 2 dots. Next, from age 14, how many are there? 5 students. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next, age 13, there are 4 students. Next, age 12, there are 2 students. Akshita, this is one way of representing the dot plot. Please write down. Okay, Akshita, I am going to the next one. Please pause the video and draw the diagram. Now, the another way of representing the same dot plot is one, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here we can write age 15, age 14, age 13, age 12. So age 15 we have 2 people. So put a dot exactly at 2. Age 14 we have 5 people. Next, age 13 we have 4 people. Next, age 12 we have 2 people. Okay, Akshita, I think now it should be clear to you. This is another way of representing the same dot plot. You can either represent number of dots, or otherwise you can draw a y-axis line and put the dot exactly at that number. These are the 2 ways of representing the same dot plot. And this is the end of the first skill check question. Please note down. I am going to the next question.